Hey guys, and welcome back. As you know, this is Greg Easy English, the best YouTube channel and the best place for you to learn to speak English properly and confidently. Well, today in this short class, I'm going to teach you another way we use the preposition at in English. Galera, na hora de hoje, eu vou ensinar para vocês uma outra maneira de utilizar a preposição at em inglês. Before we get down into business, I want to remind you that a preposition is a word we use to talk about where something or someone is located, either in space or in time. A preposition is a word we use to talk about where something or someone is located, either in space or in time. Uma preposição é uma palavra usada para indicar onde alguém ou algo está localizado. Now, let's get down to business. Another way we use the preposition at in English is with time of the day. We use the preposition at with time of the day. We use the preposition at with time of the day. Usamos a preposição at com a hora do dia. Now, let's have some examples. Vamos supor, você quer dizer, eu vou trabalhar às 7:30. So, eu vou trabalhar às 7:30. The sentence will be in English, I go to work at 7:30. Eu vou trabalhar às 7:30. I go to work at 7:30. Now, let's have a second example. Vamos supor, você quer dizer, ele virá às 5 horas da manhã. Ele virá às 5 horas da manhã. The sentence will be in English, he will come at 5 o'clock a.m. He will come at 5 o'clock a.m. So if you really enjoyed the class, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. And guys, I want to tell you something that Greg Easy English is also on Cry. So if you are on Cry, follow my page. Okay, guys? See you there.